When I was 12 years old, my parents bought a plane ticket for my mother's crack-addicted friend to come and live with us. They were going to help her get her stormy life together. I guess you could say that she was under the weather. She'd been incarcerated for prostitution and theft, and she was living on the streets somewhere near Miami, but she never showed up. They tried again 2 years later when I was 14, but again, she never took the offer. I don't know if she was too sick or too scared. For her stage in the game, you could say those were probably one and the same. Between the ages of 19 and 25, I went from a recreational drug user to somebody who abused getting high. And I'll spare you the relative details, but I'll tell you this much. I became a huge asshole to my parents when they tried to steer me in a better direction. What the hell do you know anyway, I would say, with the angry inflection of a teenager who thought he knew it all. How quickly I'd forgotten. I'd be 26 years old when my mother's best friend passed away due to her drug use and complications with AIDS. I'm 32 now, and I've lost 3 of my best friends to accidental overdose. You have no idea how many people I've seen pass out comatose. And I used to think my parents were crazy for wanting to help this lady. Like I was above her. Now I know a woman who helps people like this daily, and it's one of the reasons why I love her. See, there's 2 types of crazy people in this world, I think. There's those of us who are willing to admit it, and those of us who never will. But for those of us who need to let it out, there's a lot of different ways to confess craziness. Some of us write poetry. Some of us turn to drugs. Because when we don't understand our psychological selves and no one else gets it, drugs always listen. But they never give a shit. So we turn to group support systems like, hi, my name is Mike and I'm an addict. But then there are those who just don't want to talk about it. Like, I'm not crazy, I don't need help, and I'm certainly not an addict. I just want to live my life without sitting around bitching and moaning about it. I don't have time to sit under some dreaming tree. I have bills to pay and mouths to feed. I think I see it from both sides, but that's because I've already been both types of crazy. I'm always lost in my own thought, and just like most of you, I have a hard time getting these ideas onto paper, but I want to. I need to. I am addicted to this, just like I'm addicted to sugar, and I'm addicted to caffeine, like I'm addicted to weed and porn and chocolate chocolate porn, and addicted to gummy bears and wordplay and those little cheese biscuits from Red Lobster. I'm addicted to the attention from somebody who loves me. I think we're all addicts. We are all crazy. Everything I want to say, I could squeeze into that one little drop, and I'm starting to ramble, so I should probably stop. Obviously, I'm the kind of weirdo who needs to share how I feel, but I don't have all the answers, and I'm really not some great poet. I'm just like you. You're just like me. Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm an addict.
That's what